Good morning, everyone. Hello, guys. Happy Thursday, everyone. Tomorrow is Friday. I'm super excited. Why? Because Friday is my favorite day of the week. How was my birthday? It was nice. Thank you for asking. Good morning, good morning. All accounts were sent yesterday. All accounts were sent yesterday. Hope everyone got this. I always like Fridays. Yes. To drinking, yes. Yep. You didn't get this? Did you win this yesterday? Well. So guys, I'm gonna be honest. So I'm waiting for Friday, so I will not be able to trade. And I feel good about this. You're very welcome. You're very welcome. I feel good about this all the time because trading it's kind of stressful job. So sometimes I need to just like refresh my mind, relax a little bit. So I'm waiting for Friday just so we can still paper trade. I don't do paper trading like at all. So I guess it's not for me. If I want to trade something, but I'm not sure about setup and I don't really want to try this on my live or funded account, I usually trade on evaluation, but I never touch my paper money account. I don't know why. I guess I have problem with this. Every big birthday. I mean, yeah. Every day is a new day, right? About the Lucid account. Oh. Yeah, I guess I saw that. Or no, I didn't see this. I'm gonna check, okay? After Steam. Gold outlook. Guys, gold yesterday, damn. 2 setups based on my model. Long here, short here. I woke up like, damn, look at that. Yesterday, gold just, it's like ATM machine yesterday. Brilliant price action on gold. Well, let's take a look on gold. Bias, because I'm trading on micro gold. I don't have any analysis there. By the way, guys, yesterday I got a drink. It was with alcohol, but I didn't feel this. So let's say it was without alcohol, but it was like with this. So I decided to try. Just for my birthday. So let's see. We broke below 50% of daily propulsion block. Obviously, it's bearish signal for us. Price trace back down to discount. Trying to respect OT. Here's our Lumi level. Let me delete this one, by the way. Here's our Lumi level, still higher. So it will bounce to 41.40 again. Lumi level is possible order block. Yesterday, let me read. Yesterday was damn so hard. I'm gonna talk about this now because I took lots of trades yesterday. Ended up being like super green, but I'm gonna talk about this now. 1 second. My husband said me something. So yesterday I was trying to trade ES. We were trying to long, remember this? We were trying to long to monthly open. Damn, it was such an obvious trade idea because we had untapped fair value gap higher. Stopped out for $275. Then I tried to long, short NQ was up 100. Don't tell me anything, okay? I was up 150 points. Ended up taking like last like 3 points or so. Don't remember by the way how many points. I believe like it's like 3 points. Break even. Then I tried to short again. Was up 170 points, ended up taking break even. Damn, it sounds so bad, I know. Ended up being break even. Then I entered long on yes again once I saw my model as continuation setup, and I took this out. I posted executions on Twitter actually at near monthly open, closed most at 4 for value gap. Damn. Yesterday I took, not going to count Asia. Long, short, long, 4 trades on indices and 2 trades on gold. 6 trades yesterday. Damn, that's a lot. I was trading from my phone, by the way. So today I'm looking on gold to push towards 41.30 over trading today. By the way, nope. My risk was on my last 2 trades. My risk was like 200, even less than $200. It was just fine. So why I took so many trades? Because I was up on the day like $900. So technically I had big room for taking more trades. So yeah. So guys, I'm looking for gold to bounce to 41.40 if it's gonna sweep this level on 4 chart, or we're gonna get small. That's important. Keyword small here. Minor closure above this, possible for a change in the state of the day. We will short, guys. We will short back to 4,060 at least, and we're gonna leave runners. Guys, let me know. 1 second. Was contract change? No. 1 second. I guess contract changed because I had different levels today on my gold on TradingView. I believe, yeah. Good morning, Barbara. How are you today? Of my model, you can find this on my YouTube with backtest. Let me post the link from my YouTube. I tried just one single strategy, so I'll try to keep this simple. But by the way, guys, if you 1 second, I will show you. 1 second. Link for strategy I trade with backtest. Another one, guys. If you missed my post yesterday, how to trade New York midnight open. How can I make this bigger? 1 second. Over here, okay. If you miss my post about New York Midnight Open, once again, I have video about New York Midnight Open on my channel, but I provided 4 entry models, how to use New York Midnight Open. Personally, I use this on 2-minute chart, but I backtested on 3 and 5-minute chart. It works good as well. So I would say on 2-minute chart, probably gonna get more trades, but lower win rate. 5-minute chart, way to go. But I personally use on 2-minute chart. So here's 4 entry models, how to trade New York Midnight Open. And we use them personally a lot as well on streams. I'm gonna post link now in the chat. I posted yesterday at 9:33 p.m. Once again, if you want to watch the video about this, just click link and watch. So I explained how we use New York Midnight Open, but here's just example of 4 entry models using New York Midnight Open. NYMO is New York Midnight Open. New York Midnight Open is 12 a.m. New York time, Eastern time. Shutting you down? No, it works for me. You're very welcome. I hope it's gonna be helpful for you. What is ridiculous? I missed something? Good morning, and thank you guys. We should kill this today. I have drawn liquidity on NQ, so probably gonna be bullish today on NQ. So my plan is to long to 29,973. So I'm gonna wait for the retracement down. Maybe the test new weekly open. And this one. What kind of issue we have with TradingView, guys? Thank you, guys. Thank you, everyone. Hello, guys. If you just joined, it's your first time. Guys, you're welcome. Happy to see you here. Happy to help if you have any questions as well. Okay. Something yours. Oh, data issue. Okay. I didn't notice this. You know, we trade like indices. How to join giveaways. I'm gonna show you now. You need to go on my website because I usually schedule giveaways there. It calls funded.now. I'm gonna post a link now here in the chat. Funded.now. When you see giveaway highlighted with like purple, like different colors, you need to click here, giveaways, scroll down, and you will see which giveaway I'm running now. For example, Tradify, Lucy TPT, I know, like Apex, any giveaway, you will see this. Sometimes I do TradeZella as well. You need to fill the form here. If it's your first time, don't forget to confirm your email. It's gonna send you email, just confirm this. And that's it, you're ready to go. Usually pick winners around like 11, 10:55, around so. So guys, highly recommend to stay on stream or just back on stream at 10:50 a.m. every single day if you want to get your account. Because sometimes when you entered giveaway and you leave in and your name appears on screen as a winner, unfortunately, you're not gonna get this because I give you like 1 minute to say I'm here, I won, to basically claim your prize. Yeah, E8 features changed the plan. I saw that. Did I send link for giveaway? Not yet. Okay, I'm gonna send this. So enter giveaway, guys. You have like around like 1 hour 50 minutes to enter giveaway, but I believe I'm gonna announce winners at 11. Usually, like, it's nice because once you won your account, normally, if it's not CPT, not take profit trader because it takes a bit more time, I send accounts within 24 hours. So normally like within like 5 minutes after you won, but sometimes I forget and I just send like in the morning of next day. So normally it takes less than 24 hours to get your account. So you can activate this. And I always say, please guys, activate as soon as possible because I'm not sure when it's gonna expire, when coupon is gonna expire, to be honest. So if you won your account, especially if it's listed to Tradify, it's one-time evaluation fee. You're not gonna pay anything. Please try to activate as soon as possible. If you don't want to trade this week, okay, just activate and start trading next week, okay? Buffer rules. So let's talk about buffer. Lots of people don't know what is a buffer, but I'm happy to talk about this. So buffer is your safety net. Safety net is your drawdown plus $100. So let's say on my Take Profit Trader 50K account, my maximum loss limit is $2,000. It's your drawdown. In order to request payout after I passed my evaluation, I need to make my drawdown, which is $2,000, and extra above this, I need to make $100. So technically, I need to make $2,100 in order to request my first payout. Everything above this safety net or buffer is your money. Yeah, announce winners on my live stream. Yes. Did I answer your question? Yeah, I did, Danielle. Thank you. I did. Thank you for asking. Good morning. I use only price action, guys. I don't use indicators. I'm just trying to keep this simple. I don't use second level. I don't use order flow. I don't use book maps. I don't use anything. We just use candlesticks and intuition. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Hope you're doing good. Funded accounts. I'm gonna show picture now so you can take screenshot. to save this for later. First, I need to find this picture. 1 second. Since the market is still closed, so I'm gonna talk about risk management on funded and evaluations. Would like to tell you something. I approach evaluations same way as funded. So normally I trade evaluations with my funded, so risk is the same. Yeah, I found it. I need to like throw perfect picture for this because it's, oops, it's just screenshot from my TradingView. Okay, let me show you. So it's just example of prop firms. Obviously, it can be any other prop firm. Topstep provides no activation fee accounts. I am not against Topstep. I don't like to jump between platforms. I want to execute only on NinjaTrader, and that's it. So no complaints with Topstep, just I don't like they don't have trader weight. So let's talk about this. Once again, look at 50K and 150K. That's only accounts I trade. I don't trade 100K. I don't trade 25K. I'm not against this. I just don't trade this, okay? So 50K, once again, usually I copy evals with my funded. Example with funded here, but you can use same risk. So my approach is take this slow. I'm not in a rush. I want to save my accounts, and I want to keep my accounts for the long time. So I don't want to full port. I don't want to play with prop firms to request payout as soon as possible. No, I usually take this slow. For 50K account, here's just example with accounts I have. One, obviously, you can have different accounts. So 50K, it's TPT and Apex. TPT is take profit trader for me. Before the buffer, once your account below the buffer, this means you did not make $2,100. Your drawdown plus $100. My risk per day, that's important, not per trade. Per day is going to be $250. My base hit, so this means I want to make 1.5 R on this day. So bigger, nice. 1.5 R at least, perfect, amazing. So why risk is super small? Because as long as I below the buffer, especially on TPT and Apex, I have intraday chilling drawdown. I want to take this low and slowly build this buffer without risking a lot of my drawdown on my account, right? So my base hit is gonna be 1.5 R, which means what? If you take more than one or two trades a day, consider your risk accordingly. Yes, sometimes it's gonna be 150 points. $150 risk, so trade 1-2 micros. Don't be shy to trade micros. Micros, it's way to go, especially in prop firm world. So once I build my buffer, which means I'm above my drawdown plus $100, $2,100. I'm gonna increase my risk to $300 until I'm gonna request my first payout. Okay? Or let's say I requested my first payout, or until I request my first payout, but I'm above the buffer. I usually take one trade a day, sometimes two, but normally one. I'm gonna increase my risk to $300. Not bad. 1.5 R, 2 R, everything above this amazing. And after I request my second payout, I'm gonna increase my risk to $350. Funny to say, on my TPT and Apex, I still have same risk, $350. And I aim like for $500. Sometimes I have $700 trades. So that's nice. Example with 150K, pretty much the same. Just different numbers. You can take screenshot if you want. But yeah, guys, I try to stay away from overtrading, so ignoring yesterday. But yesterday I made like lots of money. It was a great day for me. I try to take 1-2 trades a day. Daniel, I'm thinking about this. On NQ. Probably I'm gonna trade NQ today. I want to see gold to 41.40. I already said this before, so let's see if it's gonna bounce there. Need to get retracement 100%. I will not long without retracement, just not for me then. So normally, best idea is to request, it's my approach, best idea to request payout on 50K account is gonna be at, once you up $3,000 in your account. Like 53,000. Yes, Sean, I traded Asia on micro gold with 2 micros. So, but let's stay away from about thinking about contract size. Yes, I scalped like long based on my model 30 minutes SIP, 3 minutes to be done. It was so good with just 2 micros, so I didn't make a lot. So it's not about how much I made. Basically, not a lot. So I made $200 on this trade, risking $100, 2 micros only. Then I saw exactly same setup, 30 minutes SIP, 3 minutes OB. Was risking what I made on previous trade. So basically, if I lost, I would stay like at break even. And made around like $400 on this trade. With 2 micros only. This one. Funny to say, long, short, based on one single model. So guys, if you're new to my channel, I used to trade Asia a lot, but I always trade Asia on gold only. So I don't trade indices during Asia, it's just wasting of my life and time, not reason to even like try. So I used to trade Asia a lot and I stopped doing this on March because gold entered just absolutely ugly high from consolidation. My model wasn't presented most of the time, and when it was presented, it was losing trade almost every single time. So I stopped trading gold in March, did not trade April, did not trade May. In June, price action back to be amazing, and I just forwarded this, did not place any trades. In June, my model was here every damn day after 8 p.m. 8 p.m. And this month, I started trying to trade gold again. Just 2-hour trades, 2-hour. I don't take less, 2-hour based on this strategy. With just 2-3 micros. So far this month, I took 4 trades. It was, I posted execution section on Twitter, you can see. Short on Monday on gold. It was 3 micros. Long on gold, not yesterday, it was Tuesday. With 10 micros because risk was 3 points, so worth to try. Yesterday I traded 2 micros only. Long and short. And before March, I made lots of money trading gold, thanks God. And I was super disappointed when I noticed like, gold was good to me like for 6 months, and probably it says enough, Dasha, for you. In March, April, May, and June, I didn't place any trades. I placed like 2-3 trades maybe. No, I'm lying. I placed like a couple of trades on TradingView TV. Okay, total maybe like 5-7 trades from March to June. It was PM session. I didn't trade Asia. And I back trading gold again. So right now I do this like on my own to see, okay, if it's back or not. But my plan is to start streaming Asia as well. I'm just trying to figure out timing because so far since I trade this solo, like without anyone, I noticed best setups happens near 8 p.m. Because my plan was to stream from 7 to 9. So maybe no reason to stream from 7 because it's 1 hour of nothing, probably. Maybe I need to start streaming at 7:30 p.m. and until like 9 p.m. So maybe it's gonna work for me. But not every single day because I have kids. I'm thinking about this. Really want to stream. I really want to trade live because I like to trade live. But I need to figure out timing, and I'm probably gonna just test the rest of the week and maybe next week gold to see when setup occurs. Because last couple of weeks it was after 8 p.m. But initial plan was to stream from 7 to 9, which means probably 1 hour will be just wasting of our time. Maybe nothing. 7:30 to prepare, maybe. So I'm thinking about this, guys. What time I need to start streaming Asia and which days. Yeah, guys, you know, like I'm okay to trade, to place trades on stream, so I don't really care about this. So I want to trade with you as well. So let's see. I'm gonna look for setup today as well. It's gonna be last day for this week because Friday gonna be closed. Asia doesn't work. And next week I'm gonna keep trading on my own Asia to see what time we get in setup. And then I will probably start streaming Asia. At least 2 times a week. It's gonna be Tuesday, Wednesday. I think so. I start with this one, but I will keep you updated, okay? So guys, for Asia, I'm gonna steam separate accounts. I'm gonna no. I just love to trade Asia because gold presents my model, and of course I'm happy to see like my model here, and I want to execute this. I'm happy to see it works over and over again. But for Asia, guys, I'm gonna say this from the very beginning. I'm gonna get separate accounts, funded accounts to trade just Asia because I don't want to probably trade money that I made during a New York session. Today trade plan is this one on NQ. Yeah, sure, 1 second. Video is here. I guess I even like showed examples on gold. Video is here. That's first one. And second, guys, if you go on my Twitter, I'm gonna send link as well, 1 second. Maybe you knew my channel. If you go on my Twitter, open highlights section, see this? Highlights. You will find this perfect post with 9 lessons, which I believe lots of people sell for like lots of money. I just share everything for free, and I truly believe you're gonna learn from this free PDF, and you don't need to buy any courses because these PDFs are more than enough. So it's pretty much like my approach, how I approach market. Liquidity sweep strategy I trade, lesson 5, 6, and 7, pretty much what I use in order to execute my strategy. So technically levels I use to confirm the strategy. Yeah, market is open. Let's see if we're gonna get retracement. Oh, I didn't send link, 1 second. Link for these PDFs, you can download them, you can print them, do whatever you want with them, just don't resell. Link in the chat, my last message, okay? Model on gold, exactly same model I use for ES and NQ. I mean, on Friday, Asia doesn't work. That's what I meant. Absolutely brilliant drop here. Da-da-da. So I hope these PDFs are gonna help you. Right now, let's focus on trading, okay? We have nice plan. We're trading above weekly open on both ES and NQ. Let's see if you're gonna retrace. Yes, Sean, exactly same idea. If you're gonna stay above weekly open, it forms 30-minute SIP 3-minute OB, we will try too long. Let's see where stop is gonna be better, on ES or NQ, but idea remains the same. SPX opened at OT of Tuesday gap. All right. Yeah, we need to get some sort of rejection down. We have overlap gap, so basically gap inside the gap. I believe it's gonna feel this. 50, 25. Yeah, let's keep this clean. So plan is to see retracement back down to weekly open. Ideally on both ES and NQ. SPX really trying to fill the gap. I believe we're gonna fill this gap. So ideally I would like to get like big move down. So basically we're going through this gap. So no reaction. I want to see big gap downside to downside on SPX. Oh, let me back on gold. On gold we need to bounce higher, guys. A little bit higher. Yes, doing perfect job so far. Still above weekly open, would like to get more to downside. So guys, what is your bias for the day? You got my plan? What is your plan? Guys, let's hit the like button. As always, don't forget to subscribe and share the stream. I'm here every single day, trade live and do accounts giveaway for everyone. Ta-dam. Still staying above weekly open bearish after 10 a.m. Let's see. How far you want to see drop? So I'm gonna be bearish for the day if it's gonna break weekly open. But I want to see lower. I want to see 200 points lower on NQ. Damn, that's a lot, but okay. You think it's gonna be consolidation? Well, I mean, everything is possible. Nice retracement, nice SMT, minor SMT at loss, but damn, I cannot long this. Weekly open, just go on weekly chart. Weekly chart, over here. Find current weekly candle and highlight open of this candle. It's your weekly open. Deep discount, minor SMT at lows. I cannot long this 100%. I mean, I want to, but damn, that's annoying. Yes, inside our fair value gap. Yes, right. Also, well, on NQ looks good for longs. Not going to lie. Gonna wait. Hourly fair value gap and hourly order block price traded into this level. Well, I guess I'm happy to wait. Because longs time looks so good on NQ, but at the same time, it feels like on the ES I wanted to see more to downside, you know? I will be disappointed. My journal liquidity on NQ higher. I'm bullish for the day. I want to see 29,973. Damn, such a nice move high up here. On yes, that will be target. Okay. I mean, nice, but no model presented yet. So it is what it is. NQ is crazy, that's right. For our fair value gap, let me see, where is this? I see. You think it's gonna be like drop from fair value gap or retracement? I believe it's gonna be retracement because drawn liquidity remains higher, in my opinion. So there is big chance to get a test of equilibrium of previous weekly range. So definitely we can get reaction to downside from fair value gap, and maybe I'm gonna like this because I was looking for long from weekly open, but I don't think it's gonna be reversal yet. Retracement. Video about order block. I'm gonna send you post. 1 second. Remind me in 5 minutes, okay? I just a little bit focused. I will send you post about order block. What is OB and how to use this. Just remind me in 5 minutes. We got 3 minutes OB here. From deep discount, we got... I know, I feel like it's not ready yet, but I definitely can be wrong. Oops. Back to... Okay, I see. Thank you. Bias is to buy, so that's my plan on NQ. I want to see retracement down to weekly open, long to 29,973. So I'm bullish. The problem is how we gonna play with fair value gap. Are we gonna get retracement to weekly open so we can long from there? So we're gonna trade our plan, or it's just gonna bounce without us? I mean, without me, maybe you're in long. I hate it. But from the other side, we didn't bounce a lot yet. below the table. Huge one, yes. Now, could be easy long if it could bounce at least from weekly open on ES. I would say nice SMT at lows, nice perfect long. We can try this one. Потом reversed 7 points away from weekly open. Well, I mean, no complaints. We had a plan. Plan never was presented. Keep waiting. It's 9:29 a.m. only. So gold hit my key level. Now we're gonna do what we're gonna do. We're gonna see how we're gonna close on forward chart in 20 minutes. If it's gonna get sweep or minor closure, like really small closure above 41.40, I would like to get in shorts back to 4,080, 4,060 level, 80 actually. So it will be nice short from there. Let's wait 20 more minutes on gold. How I handle this? It's fine because we're here to share our opinions and trade ideas. So sometimes I can be wrong, sometimes other people can be wrong. So just trust the process, trust your plan, and trust your strategy. If I see my strategy tells me like long here, but other people short, I mean, I'm gonna long this because this is how we build our edge. So it's not hard, trust me. It's just great to see like, okay, other people think it's short and they explain why they think it's short. I explain why I think it's long, and it's just nice. So we're trying to exchange our knowledge. But once again, by the end of the day, I trust my strategy and my system. I'm gonna trade what I think, right? Because I plan the trade the plan. If I'm gonna take a loss, nice. I mean, okay. I will try again later. I know that model I trade works a lot. Obviously, it doesn't have like 100% win rate, but it works. I can make money with this, so keep trading. Hey, Maxim, how are you? Short? No. Why short? Retracement to downside to long. How I got this level on gold? Let me show you. So as you can see on gold, we retrace back to discount. We hit this 4-hour propulsion block because OB was before over here propulsion block. We swept sell side here and we entered, once again, we retested 4-hour fair value gap. So in order to confirm a reaction, so can we get move higher towards buy side, or it's gonna be reversal continuation lower to take sell side, we need to get structure, shift in structure. It's gonna be either market structure shift or change in the state of delivery. So possible change in the state of delivery gonna be this down close candle. We don't have sequence, just one single candle. So if you're gonna close above open with the down close candle, it's gonna be possible order block, right? And at this point I can say, we have low resistance liquidity run, probably it's gonna be long to take opposite liquidity level, major buy side. For example, here. So for our order block confirms this. But if it's gonna be sweep here, most likely we continue going lower. So at this point, 41.38 was possible for our order block. I mean, well, just trying without us so far. Okay. I don't feel like we missed something. On gold, I'm conservative with my target. I always try to pick levels that I'm pretty confident in. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna hit this level without any retracement before we hit this level. So I'm gonna close my positions there. Usually take this easy. If ES tested weekly open, I would, once again, if ES tested weekly open, I would probably try to long if it's gonna close above this down close candle. But the problem is, we didn't tag this level, so I'm gonna stay away. unfortunately. Because once again, if ES could offer exactly same reaction as it reacted from somewhere here, like minor sell side, I know what's that, like minor sell side, I guess. I would probably long this one, but since I feel like it was from nowhere, I'm gonna just, I guess, chill. But this long could be textbook setup, like this one, if we're gonna get the closure above the done close candle, if we reacted from weekly open. Oh, order block, yes. But thank you. I'm gonna send link now. So once again, go on my Twitter, find this post about OB, explained everything about order block there, link in the chat, guys. Print uses pretty much straightforward explanation. I don't watch soccer, guys. I mean, I was watching in replay yesterday Argentina with who? Don't remember, but Argentina won. Oh, yeah, exactly. Because my son asked me to watch this. He wants to watch this. I was like, okay, let's watch. Because first 2 goals was like Argentina, like, do you know how to play? I'm just asking, do you know how to play? Because they got first goal, second goal was cancelled. Right after they canceled this goal, they got another goal. I was like, damn, Argentina, like something wrong. Like you're getting so much money and you cannot. What is going on? Yeah, I was watching like in replay, like why goal was cancelled. I didn't get this. Like. Because of Messi, I guess. No? They just collect money. So. Didn't celebrate. I believe it's Messi wants to retire, so it's his last match, I guess, last World Cup. So after this, I guess he's not gonna play anymore, if I'm not mistaken. I love Messi because, like, as a person, he's so humble, so he's nice. I'm not even fun. I simply just watched one single game yesterday. Like, I guess, I don't know, like 40 minutes only. So I'm wrong about this? Ronaldo is humble? I wouldn't say so. Thank you. So, guys, if you cannot see executions, I'm not on trade. I was looking for long, but once again. Looks not perfect. Is not considered as a go. Oh, I see. I mean, I don't know rules. That's why it looked like dumb. What is going on? Yeah, I guess he visually doesn't look humble. That's probably why I think this about him. How often I go to the gym? 3-4 times a week. 3-4 times a week. Pasha, don't lie. I mean, you know this. I'm not going to show you OnlyFans content, but you know this. Soccer is popular, but once again, I'm not fun. I don't like it. Yeah, let's see. I'm willing to trade today longs. Also right. So yeah, let's focus, guys. Opportunity is coming. No, I'm not fan of this. So yeah, I usually go like, I go to the gym, and other days I'm taking a break. Then go to the gym again. Another day I take a break, and so on. I was there yesterday, by the way. Yesterday was my birthday, but I went to the gym yesterday. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. I'm gonna delete for now. It looking confusing because it seems like I'm in trade, but I'm not. Still flat, guys. Looking for the trade. Oh boy, so let me put my ATM strategy here. Did not decide if I want to trade gold, not gold, ES or NQ. Let's see. ES still inside 3-minute OB. Let's check gold real quick. 10 minutes left. So we will look for setup on gold in 10 minutes. At least we will start looking on this. I'm gonna say something now. I don't mind so long from weekly open. Since we stuck inside floor for a value gap, if it could drop like hard now to weekly open, I wouldn't mind this. But let's see how we're gonna respect 3-minute OB on ES first. So definitely we have SMT at lows, absolutely ugly by the way in my opinion, but it is SMT. I wouldn't mind to get big drop to weekly open to long, like to not going to full port long, but it's gonna be super high probability long, so I'm gonna trade more contracts. But here on first try, I will be really careful. I mean, if you're gonna respect this 3-minute OB, I'm gonna be super careful with this, with my risk, because I want to see lower to long. I'm gonna trade ES or ES. I guess ES. I mean, we will see. So my how risk was here? 8 points, like 5 micros. So we will take a risk with like $200 or so, maybe like $250. Let's see if you can get along here. Once again, first try definitely will be a smaller risk. Where I want to aim from? 72. How big risk reward here? Like 1.5, I guess. Big chance it's gonna be first try gonna be fake one. I think so, at least. Big chance it's gonna be fake one first, but I want to try. As I said, it's gonna be smaller risk. If it's gonna drop to weekly open, I will enter with more contracts. 100%. What level are we approaching? What's that? It's partial level here on SPX, based on SPX. So guys, partial on SPX is gonna be 25%. Partial only, yes, it will be based on SPX 25% of RTH gap. So guys, just be careful with first try. I personally feel like it was kind of from a reversal from nowhere. So I want to consider my risk accordingly. So yeah, let's see. Let's see if SPX can run towards 25% of old RTH gap. We have equal lows there as equal highs there as well. So we will partial there. That's all I know. I'm gonna partial there. It's 5 points higher, like 68. I don't know, where is this? From here to here, like 5 points higher from current price level at 68, if I'm not mistaken. If I calculated this right. Hate to convert SPX level to ES levels. I always super confused. What's the level actually for this? 5? Like 68, I believe. So I want to take even 3 Microsoft there. But I wouldn't mind to get in longs, guys, honestly, from weekly open, from here. So if it's gonna drop, I'm willing to try again. Propulsion block. So technically it can be protected. Swing point here in 2 minute chart. Let's see. I'm not super confident, but we will see. Oops, sorry guys. Keeping my eyes on SPX. I'm gonna actually set alert here. Don't want to see it on SPX chart. We have hourly fair value gap higher, you know? I mean, guys, we will see, yeah, right? Let's take this easy. SPX still like 2-3 points away from key level. I like risk on this trade. So it's actually a nice opportunity for scalp, you know? Would like to see 68 once again. NQ approaching equilibrium of previous weekly range level, as well as let me show you what I want to see on NQ. My draw on NQ sitting higher at 29,973.75, but I don't mind to get a test of equilibrium of previous weekly range as well. So let's see. SPX left room to go higher as well. So in case this attempt will fail, I would like to get in long somewhere from here. This one. Like it will be my first, no, not first, second try. Which I willing to try. But we'll see, guys. I cannot trail stop loss because SPX still has room to go higher and didn't take this key level. So no reason to trail stop loss, and risk is pretty tight, so pretty small, not tight. So I'm gonna just let it run. Not SPX. And Q still trading below equilibrium of previous weekly range level, like 20 points away or so. Did not hit level. Disappointed still. We'll see. My tooth hurts today. What is happening? I don't know. Nothing. Nothing, I guess. We're using SPX to trade in Q, not in QES. Cannot pronounce instruments today. I don't know if I like this small range on ES, like 10 points or so. Probably I don't. No, actually I do, because I can trade more contracts at this point and let it run. XM, no. So trading my TPT accounts for now. I'm doing so good there. It's 10 AM, guys. NQ still trading below equilibrium of previous week. Ow! Ow! NQ still trading below equilibrium of previous weekly range. Let's see if it's going to bounce to 25% of alt RTH gap on SPX and equal highs. If not, then I will wait for a retracement back down to weekly open and will try again. It will be my second try. And the risk will be better, actually. A reward will be amazing as well. Like, what the heck? Look at this equal highs over here. See this on SPX? You want to tell me you want to leave them? Oh, come on. You don't want to do this, right? You want to short near 850? Oh, got it. You want to see break below? Okay, got it. So definitely I put my stop loss like, so I decided to give this bigger room for retracement. I could put my stop loss at this swing low. It wasn't bad idea as well, since we got OB. So technically it's not bad to put stop loss at swing here. I just want to give this bigger room since my risk is small. Okay. My husband is doing good. Thank you for asking. You know, we're inside for value gap. I see this. I'm not going to argue about this as well. The problem is I feel like current SMT is from nowhere. Maybe I'm wrong, but current SMT kind of from nowhere. So probably I'm gonna ignore this. Gold Shrine 41, let me see. We got the closure, by the way. Look at this closure on gold. We got the closure below this level. Let's see if we're gonna get like some sort of sweep on hourly chart or 30-minute chart. And at this point, I see it kind of high. Let's see. Can I? Oh, better. Let's see if we're gonna get 30-minute sweep or hourly sweep. So 5-minute OB will be nice entry for short. Retracement back to 4080. I'm not fan of this chop, honestly. Because, I don't know, I kind of expected to get fast delivery. Okay, I'm gonna give this one more minute. Probably will cut this at all. I don't like chop here. Because in this trade, I expected to get like, woo, to the moon. We never got this. I know, I kind of... It's not what I expected to get, you know, guys? Okay, I don't like this. I want to cut this trade. It's not what I expected to get. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for second try. Big chance it's gonna stop at break-even here. I don't like this. Because when you see structure like this as continuation, normally price hits like buy side or sell side liquidity quickly, like this just straight up move. I don't like it. Big chance it's gonna stop at break-even. Yeah, I'm fine with this. Don't like it. Gonna wait for second try. Low probability stop now. It was high probability before. Let's manage our risk. Don't like it anymore. Gonna cut here. I feel like I want to see deep retracement now. Why? Because of this chop. When we see this kind of chop, big chance, normally it's just offers big retracement, then delivery. SPX, look at SPX trying to sell off. Not fun. Guys, what do you think about this? It looks ugly, right? I don't like this long. I want so long, but current long doesn't make any sense anymore. I will re-enter another long. No, big chance it's gonna like sweep even this low. I don't like this trade simply because we inside consolidation now. For continuation setup, it requires straight like straight up or straight down. Usually this kind of trades deliver us to TP fast, quickly. Here, it was nice at the beginning. But when you see the setups becomes invalid or low probability, I usually say like cut this trade. This is why I don't like to execute, by the way, that's an important note. This is why I don't like to execute on TradingView, simply because I don't see this kind of like small signals of invalidation. Here is small signal invalidation for me. So for me, it's best idea to cut the trade completely. Big chance it's gonna drop more than swing low here. So it's already invalidation. Gonna wait. I'm gonna delete this one for now. Let's wait for second try, guys. This one is super low probability now. NQ, as you can see, still did not hit equilibrium of previous weekly range. That's what I was talking about, see? I try to learn from my mistakes. I usually try to hold this, but once again, continuation setups like usually deliver as fast to TP. When it's started consolidating, most likely we're gonna see an internal swing low first. If in long, for example, looking for longs. Okay, let's wait for second try. I believe it left room to go higher, guys. But this one, super low probability long now. It was not bad before. Let's check SPX. It's 2-minute chart. Did not balance the gap though, okay. In Q top 75% of new week opening gap. So if you want to look for some sort of a retracement, guys, how deep retracement needs to be for you? Retracement back to the 3-minute OB on NQ, which is at 29,746. Or you just want to see OT and continuation higher? I'm gonna switch on 2-minute chart now. I know, if it's gonna break the swing low, I really want to see weekly open. What a job. What a job. It's enough in here. Okay. So let's see if we're gonna get like nice displacement below the swing low. If so, let's see if it's gonna drop immediately to weekly open, which I absolutely love. On YM 930 I'm first presented fair value gap, but 620 maybe 620. Doesn't sound bad to me. Probably I like this. Weekly open is different. I don't know. Go on weekly chart and highlight open of current weekly candle. It's over here, current weekly candle, and it's over here. I believe I highlighted this right. And I used magnet tool for this, so should be okay. That's important, guys. Perfect example when you need to cut your trade when you see invalidation of long. Don't wait for your stop loss. At this point, invalidation was there. Cut it. It's better to make zero than lose. Classic example. I mean, you know, I took lots of losses because I was like, I'm gonna wait for my stop loss. No. It's different. Well, I believe this weekly candle started on Friday. If I'm not mistaken. Okay, guys, let's wait for second trade. I want to kill this today. Give me nice setup. Hey, okay, what is your weekly open, guys? Yeah, looking for long now only from weekly open. Back to my original plan. Continuation didn't work, but the pretty much similar setup happened when it was Monday. No, Tuesday. Something like that. Maybe this one to get this one? We will see now. I'm not going to short anyway, it's like just outlook. 75.23. It's like 50, 70. Maybe I know. Not a big deal. If it's 23, it's fine. So yeah, on Sunday, remember we started streaming at 5:45 p.m. on Sunday. At 4 p.m. I draw levels on my chart. I usually draw levels before stream on Sunday. And weekly candle already was there. $5.66, I believe same. Same. YM 1 second. YM stuck at New York midnight. Oh, by the way, I don't have levels here as well. 1 second. which we never tested New York. Oh, actually we did here. Broke above this level. YM stuck at New York midnight open, not here, no, over here. So far it's not strong closure above this level, but once you get a nice displacement above New York midnight open, nice long to London high is coming. So far, let me keep my chart clean because it's so annoying. Lots of drawings here. This one. Gonna delete this one. This one is 50% of propulsion block. I'm gonna keep this. Okay. This one is, I don't remember why. What was that? It was hourly for, it was hourly OB, okay. Expect C9 to them open on ES. Don't like anything now. From first day. Well, that's interesting. Gold looks... Did it offer sweep? No, Buzo. Yeah, looks promising, I agree with you. Maybe short below 41.24 will be nice. Let me set alert. Two-minute chart. Is it 2-minute chart? Yeah. Approaching New York midnight open on ES. Where's New York midnight open on NQ, by the way? Oh, way below weekly open. So I guess we're getting our retracement we want to see at the open. So keep waiting. Honestly like it. Yeah, it's okay. Damn, look at this drop. It's beautiful. It's damn textbook. Well, absolutely love it. Brilliant move. Asia low. I'm looking for weekly open. Let's see. I would say at least classic. Still above weekly open. Let's see if you're gonna hit this. Wasn't bad. I didn't eat sugar, but I bought cake for my kids. Yeah, I got break even on the first trade. I mean, I closed this manual on break even because I saw like short is coming. Not short, drop is coming. I didn't see like good short opportunity. Still above weekly open. Come on. Yeah, it was nice, guys. I'm not going to argue about this. It was a good one. I wish it could drop to weekly open, so it could be way easier to trade this. On gold, ideally would like to see break below 41.24. We don't have confirmation of any shorts yet. Let's see if it's gonna drop to weekly open. Yes, MMXM A+. A+. Guys, hit the like button. Don't forget to enter giveaway. We have how many minutes? 32 minutes to enter giveaway, guys. Asia low, Asia low, Asia low. Yeah, looks good. If it's gonna break below weekly open, it's even better for us. We took similar short on Tuesday from here. Exactly same short. Invalidation of order block, propulsion block, 50% of propulsion block short here. It was nice trade. I mean, nice short here. Pretty much, I consider as a short, but didn't take this. Where was that? Where was that? This one. It was classic one. We took exactly the same trade on Tuesday, using min thresholders approach. I wanted to short like somewhere deep inside as well, but I was like, damn, I'm looking for long, so probably I'm just I don't know, like going to trade simply because I feel like it's gonna drop here without any like good setups. I wanted to trade as well, not going to lie. Anyway, let's see if we're gonna get a weekly open retest to try. What's the price for previous weekly high? I believe I deleted this already. Well, maybe you meant low? I'm looking for a weekly open. We need to hit this so bad. It was like, guys, it was our original plan. Remember? We highlighted this here. Over here. Pretty much exactly what we have now. Oops. Approaching weekly open looks good. Okay, let's see if we're gonna get second trade, guys. Need to drop more, that's all I know. Drop it here. We need to hit weekly open, I'm just saying. Hey, market makers. Do this for me. I'm not asking a lot. We want to take second trade. I'm here, please. $75.10. It's fine for me as well. I'm fine with 29,500 test on NQ as well. Mm-hmm. 3-minute fair value gap trading below monthly open. We got a test of early order block. What we're gonna do, we're gonna highlight 50%. Okay. Still consider maybe like IM session a bit choppy, but overall price action this week solid. Big chance we can go to New York midnight open, my friend. Why? Because yes, trading below this level now. So weekly New York midnight open and give right below weekly open. So technically, there is chance to go there. Just need to get one more leg down so I can try to take second trade. You remember my second trade idea? I just did this to keep my chart clean because lots of trunks here. I don't like to have this on my chart. Like that. And like that. Okay. No, I don't use indicators. I don't use book maps. I mean, I don't look at order flow. I look just on candlesticks. That's enough. Guys, I don't have monetization on my YouTube. It's off. Where I just said, like, I turned off monetization, I guess, like 7 months ago. But before this, I had monetization and I was making like $400 a month from YouTube. Just doing live streams every single day. Maybe I was doing something wrong because I know lots of people making lots of money from YouTube, but I don't know. I stopped doing monetization on YouTube simply because no one loves to watch ads. And I know you can get premium subscription on YouTube. I have this, but some people cannot afford to buy premium subscription. Why they need to watch ads? I was like, damn, I hate it. No one deserves to watch this as well. And I completely stopped doing monetization on YouTube. I guess it was like December 2025 or so. Hello, hello. My birthday was perfect yesterday. Thank you for asking. No, I'm not gonna turn this on. Lots of people keep saying like, Dasha, turn on monetization. No, guys. No one wants to watch advertisement. I hate this personally, like no one deserves this. 16 years old? Yes. Oh, well, 18, because I believe when I'm 16, I cannot trade, right? I have to be 18. I will do giveaway, guys, at 10. We will start at 10:50, I guess, okay? Gold pull back to OT. Let's see how we're gonna hold this. I look 16. Thank you so much. I appreciate this. Yeah, we help each other here. Exactly. I didn't forget gold. I opened this on my another screen. Once I see nice setup, I will let you know. Kids, then summer camp. They went to summer camp. I mean, they didn't want this, but who cares what they want? Oops, 3-minute chart. Oh, NinjaTrader, let me send link. They keep saying like, we don't want to go to jiu-jitsu, we don't want to go to daycare. I'm like, and? Indicator for NinjaTrader. I'm gonna send link now. Here, okay. Link in the chat, guys, for NinjaTrader indicator, which shows PNL, percent of your account you risk, points, and so on. Also, I covered this in my YouTube video about NinjaTrader. You're very welcome. If you have any questions, you will not. Let's say you weren't able to install this indicator, send me please message on X. We will try to do this together, okay? Breaking above New York midnight open. NQ expecting 50% of hourly OB so far. Playing ugly games, honestly. I don't like it failed to take weekly open so I can long this again. What a scam. You think I need to focus on NQ? At least on NQ we have obvious drawn liquidity. But we have big stop loss as well, so you need to trade with a couple of micros only, unfortunately. I mean, let's focus, yes. Because I believe I started trading like ES a lot and I completely forgot about NQ. Sometimes NQ offers better price action. I mean, yesterday I was trying to trade ES twice, NQ twice, and gold twice. 6 trades yesterday. Yes, guys, giveaway not now, but later. MMXM, can you please send link for giveaway? Thank you. Well, I'm bullish for the day. I want to see NQ going to 29,973 over here. That's my daily draw. How big risk I said? 100 points. Maybe not bad. What time frame is here? Okay. SPX completely fills the gap. Well, let's see if we're gonna displace above 9:30 AM open to give the second try. On NQ. I don't know. I kind of question yes. I mean, I question NQ as well, but at least NQ reversed from 50% of our OB, which makes this order block as high probability. Good morning, Bella. How are you today? One more sweep. Let's see. We already have double sweep. So, I mean, my model is about to be here. On NQ. Come on. Give me indicator. Same sweep here. How it looks on 1 minute chart. We don't have lots of fair value gaps. We don't have, I mean, we do have 1 minute OB, but not really have 2 minute OB. Are you confused? I mean, jokes aside, it's like second day when I'm super confused with my bias. I mean, I'm bullish for the day, but it's really damn hard to find good entry. Second day in a row. And yes, I'm confused because of that. I hope I'm not alone. It's not only me. But damn, that's kind of annoying. I mean, thanks gold, so I can make money doing Asia, but damn, that's annoying. I mean, I'm not super worried about this. I just confused. Just confused. It's not a problem for me at all. I'm super green this week, which is good, but at the same time, IM session wasn't easy. I mean, let's see. It's 10:30. I'm gonna give this time until 11. If nothing, then yeah, you're right. I'm gonna go just enjoy my day. We'll do giveaway. I will answer questions, common questions about anything you want to ask me. And yeah, maybe we're gonna enjoy our day. Who knows? Yeah, hit the like button, guys. Subscribe and share the stream. Nothing interesting so far today, but once again, who are we to give up? They just started. We should get something solid. Maybe not now, but soon. I hope so. I think so. Okay. Well, we got drop from far from value gap, so technically I would say this drop was just okay, not bad. But I want to see the weekly open. I just want to say, okay, if NQ trying to reverse from mean threshold of early OB, I'm fine. But look, yes, damn, that's annoying. I'm not scared to enter long. I would like to enter long, but not now. I will, just let's see if we're gonna break above 9:30 AM open. I'm never scared to enter positions. Just doesn't look super obvious yet. I will enter. I mean, just need to give this some time. Let me open 3-minute chart. Just in my opinion, long not here yet, but I can be wrong. I will either enter, I will either enter from 9 to I'm open on in Q, so technically break above this level to aim for, I'm gonna get like 200 points. Or I'm gonna wait for weekly open retest if it's gonna stay below 9 to I'm open, and I will try to long. Daily open. Daily open works for me simply because on ES this level is right below weekly open. So it looks good to me. Sean, I believe it's just too early. We were too early. But it's okay. You got 900 points. Amazing job. Good. So you can create different ATM strategies for different instrument. I just use one ATM and it manually just adjust a stop loss and TP. So I have 80 ticks stop loss and 160 ticks TP, and I usually just drag like higher or lower. I've been trading Asia Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I got 4 Ws actually. I made lots of money on Asia. Maybe that's why I'm super chilled now, because I'm doing so good on Asia, and I'm like, I am maybe like it's gonna be just garbage and nothing else. Because I made around like $600 yesterday with 2 trades. Okay, trying to break above 9 to I'm open. ATM strategy basically set brackets on your Ninja Trader for TP and stop loss. Man, my monetization is off. I can even prove you if you want. Asia was so good. Yes, guys, we're gonna stream for Asia. I decided to do something like that. Listen. So since I'm not sure when I want to stream, what time I want to stream Asia, this week and next week I'm gonna see what time I'm gonna get setups. So last couple of weeks it was after 8 p.m. So before I was thinking I'm gonna stream Asia from 7 to 9, but then I was like, from 7 probably doesn't make any sense because most of the time we're getting set up after 8. So what if I'm gonna start streaming like at 7:30 p.m. and until like 9:30 p.m. So at this point we're gonna get set up 100%, because once we start streaming at 7, probably we're gonna waste our life and time doing nothing. So I'm gonna trade solo this week and next week to see what time I'm getting setups. Then I will show you. It's gonna be 2 times a week probably. So most my trades after 8, between 8 and 9. So guys, this week and next week 100% not going to stream, so I decided to just take trade solo to see what time I'm getting setups most of the time. If it's gonna be like all the time after 8 p.m, then we're gonna stream after 8 p.m. That's pretty much it. $7 p.m. We will see, so we always can adjust this. Yes, micro gold. 2-3 micros. But yesterday, since my stop loss was 3 points, I was trading 10 micros. But normally 2-3 micros there in Asia. But still can make good money, you know? Oh no, New York streams and Asia. Asia just 2 times a week, okay? New York every single day. I mean, we can just try to see how it goes. Maybe nothing interesting will be during Asia. So guys, type 1 in the chat if you want to attend Asia streams. I want to see how many people interested in this. Type 2 in the chat if no, like 100% no. And 3 in the chat like you're not sure. But if like guys you want to see trade together with me Asia, type 1 in the chat. If no, 2, 3, like you don't know yet. But it's gonna be like long one. 2, maybe 3 hours. But 100% it's gonna be 2 times a week. First, then we will see. Lots of ones, that's good. At least people are interested in this. Oh, Michael, good. Oh, 6, 7, of course. Там looks good on NQ. Trying to break 9 AM open. Okay, I see. Then, guys, next week I'm gonna trade solo, continue trading solo to collect data. Just time to figure out like what time we getting better setups. And in 2 weeks, which gonna be July 20th or so, we will start this. Okay, let me see calendar. Yeah, from like July 20th, 21st, we will start looking for trading together. I mean, longs doesn't look bad. I love it. 15-minute chart looks good. 3 micros. I think so. 2-minute chart. Let's see, looks promising, trying to break above 9 AM open. Maybe we're gonna give this a try now. 2 micros actually, I guess, because 130 points stop loss. Damn, that's a lot. Now yes, going higher. Okay, looks good. Maybe we should try this one. Minute chart, 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart. Worth to try. Okay, just enter it, guys. 1 second. Stop plugin. Just enter it. Just enter it. So I'm gonna still trading my TPT only. I'm up here, so decided to trade these accounts. So our possible Lumi level sitting here. Make my chart bigger here. Yeah, way better. Bam, 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 bam. Yes. Lumi level sitting at 29,000. Okay, it's over here. Okay, all right, got it. And my final TP. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this here. So as I said before, I'm gonna try to trade long if oh, sorry guys, 1 second. I'm gonna explain now. Forgot to switch. So as I said before, I want to try to long in Q if it's gonna break above 9 AM open. Since we got nice displacement above 9 AM open on ES, definitely worth to try this. Worth to consider longs. But in Q was trading below 9 AM open. I was like, well, I need to wait longer. So once we broke above 9 AM open, I started looking for longs. We got displacement. I mean, just entered. Yeah. We want to give this last try. So risking what I might do in Asia. So decided to risk what I might do in Asia. Wish me good luck. kidding. But yeah, looking for higher. Like, worst scenario, I'm going to be break-even on the day, unfortunately. Good scenario, I'm going to make good money today. Like, even more than I made. Let's see. Put my stop loss at 50% of hourly OB. Let's see how it goes, guys. Not easy week, not easy IM session, guys. Going to come back in 2 minutes. And did you talk with my chair today? Did we miss something? Nothing changed? Okay. Keep waiting. Keep waiting. Are you working? Yes. Do you have any stand, bro? Like, what do you mean? How to pronounce your name? Joshan? Joshan? Are you new on my channel? I never seen you before. I hope you're going to join more often. I like your comments and analysis. Any new competitions? I don't know yet. What a chap. I mean... Stop this consolidation, please. Yeah, nice to see you here. And welcome. Thank you, Barbara, for reminding me. Oops. Like, NQ, what the heck? Why Asia moves better than IM session? And yes, what's wrong with you guys? It's not... Oops, I extended this line as well. 1 second. Today, you know, Damn, that's annoying. We're getting strange moves to the IM session for some reason. You know, funny, yesterday, I was scrolling Twitter because we were like, yesterday everyone took exactly the same trades as we took yesterday. And it's funny because like tweets like, did you take a win today or you just took a trade? I was like, damn. It was funny. Because yesterday, like, I saw like classes, people posted on Twitter, damn, same long on ES and NQ. I mean, same long trade idea that we took on ES, long. Didn't work. Same short was taken by like 99% of people yesterday. Didn't work. It was like, damn. I hope like, I was hoping like I'm not the long who like was trading like that yesterday. Like, shit, yesterday. No, everyone were like that. It was funny yesterday. We got, by the way, breaker block here. Let's see. I will trail my stop after it's gonna hit breaker block. Who else? I don't know. Seriously. I'm bullish for the day. I already said this before. I want to long from weekly open, but price keep fighting with weekly open. So let's see if second try was also wrong simply because we didn't wait for a weekly open. I hope it's not wrong because we're trading above 9 AM open. But damn, that's annoying. ES and NQ dropped twice, failed to take weekly open. But technically, if it wants to drop, it should drop to weekly open. And I don't want to long anymore. But I may on my personal account. Never ignore 950 macro. You know, that's right advice. This chop is dumb. Ridiculous. Do you like my magnets? It's just a joke. Oh, you want yet? Nice! I took break even and hold on second trade, but I'm up $600 on this account from Asia. So right now, I guess risking what I made during Asia. Once again, worst scenario, I'm going to just be break even on the day, which is like not great, but it is what it is. Go to higher frame. Obviously, it's bullish. And you know, when you see the picture like that, I'm going to hide my drawings. No, I'm actually going to hide my indicators. 1 second. See what is going on here. We got sweep on hourly chart over here. We got the test of hourly order block, even mean threshold of OB. And we got, can you see this? Yeah, fair value gap retest. Price keep closing basically above hourly fair value gap. You think I'm early? I can't be early. At this point, we need to hit weekly open. I said this, I don't know, many times. I'm gonna say this again. If I'm early, we need to hit weekly open first. But probably, not sure yet. I'm not gonna trade this. Too many fakes moves, so I don't like it. But I will set alert at weekly open, just in case like we're gonna get nice setups there. Maybe I will take it. If not, then whatever. We'll come back tomorrow. Rule number 1, never try to recover your loss. Never ever try to recover your loss, no matter what. Yes, also left hourly fair value gap. Okay. I don't like IM session as well. Like, it's second day in a row, kind of tricky. But PM session maybe will be good. I don't know. I mean, trust the plan, guys. Plan the trade, trade the plan. Trust the process. I mean, I don't know. On hourly chart, it's bullish in my opinion. Like, I mean, it's really bullish. And we did not complete market maker buy model on hourly chart. Once again, definitely possible to get weekly open retest as part of second stage of reaccumulation of market maker buy model. Let me hide this. Let me hide this. But damn, it's market maker buy model. On gold, I see chop. Nothing else, unfortunately. But I would say same for ES. I know if it's me, but who else can see market maker buy model here? Definitely looks like perfect buy opportunity from minter hold of hourly order block. Guys, I'm okay to be wrong here. It's really one of the best setups I see so far on hourly chart. It's really nice long. I mean, it looks like a nice long. Especially I know, swept 50%. I know, it looks good. This one is a real nice try. I would call this A+ try. Market makers can see this. Yeah, this too. This as well. For example, like right now, I was kind of confident, so I decided to risk everything I made, like, doing Asia. This means, like, it's really worth to try. My target sitting at 29,899.75. Final TP sitting at 29,973. I mean, you can see this here. You know? Okay, let me ask you something. I mean, I'm not going to question Asia low. Perfect. It's possible to see this. But Asia low is... Where is Asia low? Let me see. Asia low. Over here, right? So technically, if you want to talk about... I'm going to read this one for now. If you want to talk about market maker buy model, do we really need to see that deep retracement for second stage of reaccumulation of market maker buy model? This one is kind of deep. Do we really need to get this one? It's actually here, right? It's like equals. But why? Because this one, I mean, once again, it's possible. I'm not going to argue about this. But this one is kind of deep if it wants to be bullish. Nope. You think like we need to see this? Isn't that deep? Kind of deep. I mean, for me, here's the entry simply because, you know, guys, I don't trade like fair value gaps, blah, blah, blah. I trade order blocks and sweep. So what I can see on high time frame, we got a test of 50% of order block price, trying to stay above this level. We got sweep over here, see this? Definitely worth to try. In my opinion, it's textbook setup. It's my opinion only, once again. Maybe you see something else. In my opinion, it's A+ setup, A+++ setup. Especially to hit this key level, A++++, 4+ setup. Yes, pushing higher. On SPX, we have 7 points higher move. Consolidation painful. I agree with you guys. Look at this. What the heck? Like really? Like why? Why it's so bullish and Q kind of lagging here? So I deleted. It's double level? I deleted magnets because it was slow because of them. What happened to me after my birthday? Nothing. Nothing happened. MMXM, where you pull projection from? From here? No, that's a lot. On 15 maybe. I'm gonna pull projections as well. Did you use this leg? Damn, we should go higher. I don't know. I refuse to believe in shorts. I mean, I refuse to believe in shorts from the very beginning today. Here's our breaker block on 3-minute chart, I believe. Yeah. How many micros? 3 micros? Okay. We'll do giveaway. Yes, we'll do soon. Yes, it's stronger. Slowly going to our first TP. Our first TP on our ES long before was 75.68. It remains the same. 75.68 is key level on ES. Giveaway, right? Okay, 1 second. 1 second. I'm gonna open my tab for giveaway. Oops. So guys, everyone entered. Everyone entered giveaway. Yes, no? Okay, I'm gonna give you 1 more minute, okay? Let me send you a link. Guys, enter giveaway now, okay? I just sent link, guys. Your last chance to enter giveaway. Then we will start giveaway. Where should I put this? Way better. Yeah, way better. Okay, enter it. 30 more seconds. Still holding, guys. Nothing changed. Gonna hold. Oops, not here. Done? Okay, let's start. I'd like to see a 75.68. Well, first winner is... Ooh! I know who that. Are you here? Are you with us today? You won 50k gross TradingView account. Tomorrow, let's do Lucid. Yeah. Congratulations. Pasha. Yeah, I see. By the way, Tanya, where are you from? Russia? Ukraine? Belarus? Maybe. Or just... Okay, there is like similar Spanish name, actually. Second winner. Oh, Ukraine. Nice. Congratulations. Chris P 9774. By the way, guys, we're not gonna miss person anymore. See this? I added this option, so if he's going to send any message in the chat, we will see this. Second winner not here yet, so he has 18 seconds to claim his prize. Otherwise, I'm gonna pick another one. You want to see my screen? Nothing changed. It's still here, still running. Nothing to see. Please not here, right? Okay, let's pick second winner again. Hey, okay, it's why cannot? I'm gonna pick second. Let me fix this somehow. Why cannot? Lagging. I'm gonna pick second winner just in a moment, guys. Let me fix this. How can I delete it? Oh, I got it, guys. Let's pick second winner. Fix it. Fix it. Second, sorry, must be fair game. Please, we were waiting for you like more than 1 minute. I'm so sorry, but it is what it is. He was late, yes. Okay, guys, I'm gonna switch on my trade, so I'm gonna wait for a winner to respond. 40 seconds. TP at 29,899.75. I'm here. I see you. I see him. Rules are rules. Yes, it is what it is. So we have 2 winners. I'm gonna send you accounts right after this stream. So right now, what we can see, we just hit breaker block on 3-minute chart. I think I'm gonna trail my stop loss at the bottom of this fair value gap now. Basically trying to reduce risk here. Actually gonna add executions. I didn't have them on my screen. Damn, we were sitting in this trade for forever. Okay. This breaker block actually can give us reaction. But I decided to... If I'm bullish, we should... Well, if I am bullish, if market is bullish, we should invalidate every single bearish PD rate. This means if market is bullish, we should not get reaction from this breaker block. Am I right? Yes, I am. I can manage on the risk but trail my stop loss. That's pretty much it. Keep holding. 50% line. Which line? Oh, this line on my screen? It was 50% of hourly order block. I considered only bodies of candle, did not include wicks. Damn, it was hard hold. Hit the like button, guys. We hold this like... We were patient enough. It's our second. Look at the yes. SPX hit equal highs but did not hit 25%. Let's see. I'm gonna actually, let me do something like that. 1 second. Let me move here. I'm gonna do something else now. This one my TP, but I'm gonna partial once I see SPX will hit 25%. That's what I'm gonna do. Just one contract I'm gonna partial. I'm gonna delete this one. Let's see if SPX gonna hit. Yeah, we just hit this. I'm gonna take one contract off here. Guys, okay, guys, take partial. We just hit important level on SPX. So I'm gonna trail my stop loss. It's like unless, okay, it's actually important partial. Yes, it's important partial. Because SPX just hit equal highs plus it hit 25% of RTH gap. It's important partial. And you can trail your stop loss. We locked small W so far. We locked like 90 points or so. 85 points or so. Just one contract off here. This partial makes sense only because of SPX. I'm just thinking I'm gonna trail to break even once NQ will break above top of breaker block. At this point, I will trail to break even. I told you this was A++++ long. Classic ICT model here. Not bad. Let's see if it's gonna go to my Lumi level at 29,899.75. It was hourly sweep and 3-minute OB at this point. Actually, it was 30-minute sweep as well, right? I'm gonna check. 1 second. I hope no one forgot to took partial here because it was key level on SPX. 1 second, I'm gonna see. Where's my EA? Why don't I have candlesticks? Oh, got it. Dasha, you stupid. It was 30-minute sweep, 3-minute OB. Our model. Yeah, small W so far, not capital letters, guys, lowercase letters. Only we type like some, when we have partial, only we type this one. When we have like good win, we always type this one. So for now, it's this one. Your target was, well, look at ES. ES just bounced to hourly for, sorry, my mic, just bounced to hourly for value gap. Damn, we can reverse soon. Be ready for this. So always praise the trader by taking partial on, at key levels. SPX and ES just hit important levels. It doesn't mean like you need to close your trade. No. Take partial. I happy my entry actually at mean threshold of 3-minute OB. It's actually good break even here. Because if price gonna retrace, we must stay above this level, above my entry to be bullish. So actually, it can be break even now already. Yes, you could do better today. You could hit RTP on first try. But happy I got out at break even there. Please, I know how to use RC chart on NQ. Like, seriously. Yeah, I'm gonna... Plan ideally, I want to trail to break even after we're gonna hit type of breaker block. This means 100% is breaker block invalidated. But if I see some sort of big displacement, I will trail. Let's see. I really want to see like we're going to this level now. Like basically to the top of this breaker block. Guys, absolutely in love with Take Profit Trader. I'm doing damn so good there. They're running 40% off now. If you want to try, guys, from the bottom of my heart, I recommend this. They don't have payout caps. Once you build your buffer, you can take like whatever you want from your account. Absolutely love it. So, yeah, I have trader weight, Amelia. I have trader weight with them. Yeah. From the bottom of my heart, like, highly recommend the TPT. I know, like, why people still don't trade with them. I think I'm gonna do TPT accounts for tomorrow. Giveaway. 50Ks. I have some 50Ks. I have some 150Ks. I will do 50K tomorrow. Really, intraday trailing is not a problem. Take partial. Don't let price to trace to your entry to break even. That's it. Yes, buffer. We have buffer. Build the buffer. You're ready to go. Alan, we have buffer, but on 50K, it's not that problem. Oops. See, now break even millions %. Now break-even is 1,000,000%. We just broke above top of breaker block. Там textbook setup. A+++, 4+ is setup. They do have monthly fee, but trust me, it's worth it. It's worth it. But no activation fee, which is good. They have evaluation fee, basically monthly fee, but no activation fee. So once you pass, it's free. Gonna check SPX. SPX just stuck at 25% of RTH gap. Guys, if you can take, it's friendly advice, of course. If you can take partial at 29,899.75, like partial, please. Well, guys, I want to share with you something. Yesterday, I got many messages from people who asked me for account, but I'm okay with this. But I didn't like messages when people were asking for money. Why? Because if you send me a message in Discord, Instagram, or Twitter, this means you have internet connection, right? If you have internet connection, this means you can have connection with AI, like ChatGPT, Claude, something like that. You can chat with ChatGPT or Claude how to make money online. Even like to create something, you can write essays online. You can do like math lessons online. Something to make money, since you have money to pay for your internet. Why you asking money? When you asking random people for money, if you can make this money on internet? You think like it's, I mean, probably, yeah, you think this. I mean, like, guys, you live like in 2026. You have access to AI almost for free or for free. Like, what's the problem? So many different options to make money online. You can even sell book on Amazon. And in order to enter Amazon, like, you don't need to pay any money for this. So many different options. But you're trying to think like, oh, I don't want to work, I'm gonna just ask money online. No, guys, come on, it's not working like that. I just don't understand this. You have access to millions of resources now. You can like do any work for any money now online, but no. No, like jokes aside, guys. I just realized that something that I don't understand. With Claude, ChatGPT, you can write books, you can write essays, you can like do like everything. You can be like a math teacher, I know, like whatever, something. You can write codes to like write some apps for free. No, you don't want to do this. Why? You don't want to put your effort. That's a problem. That's why I don't want to help these people, because I see like they don't even try. My husband. My husband is something else in his joke. He's watching, by the way, now, guys. You can say hello to my husband, since he can listen to me. Guys, yes, I was making money online. I was trying to sell on Amazon some toys, wooden toys, for like little kids. It was before trading. Husband, people say hello to you and no reaction. Big man. He's in the chat. Barbara, did he send something today? He ignores us. Okay. Oh, hello. Here's my husband, Miami now. You can say hello to him. Oh, you're watching on TV. Got it. To become good trader, more than 2 years. More than 2.5 years. My husband from Belarus. We were born in the same country, just different cities. Yeah, you know, I saw interesting, by the way, idea. One girl, she's Russian, I guess. She lives in North Carolina. She sells on Amazon books, coloring books. This coloring books was created with ChatGPT in Claude. And she sells this. Once again, you need to enter Amazon, especially like Kindle, like books. It's gonna be free for you. Just ideas. You can work with Claude, ChatGPT to sell even like coloring books. Just ideas for you. No one wants to work. Sell like even children's books. Developing, like, guys, many options. Husband, if you lost it, hit the like button. I feel like my TP is coming on in queue. Otherwise, it's a scam. To trade ICT on my YouTube, not on my YouTube, on my website. So, guys, if you go on my website, guys, see my TP is coming. But if you go on my website, funded.now, click Learn section here in ICT videos. I created a syllabus absolutely for free with ICT videos. And I put this in proper order with from the very beginning to advanced level. So once you watch this, you can put complete over here. You can leave notes here. I learned something. You can save this. You can add timestamp here as well. At this minute, I learned something. And so on. I'm gonna send link here. So it's not every single ICT YouTube video. It's only important one. And I put them in proper order. So you're gonna learn from this. Because when you go on ICT YouTube channel, it's a bit like really hard to find where you need to start, right? I put this in the proper order. If you want to learn ICT, this will help you. Thank you, Max. I appreciate this. I'm good trading. Let me. I hope. You live in London, right? Don't skip core content, guys. Core content, one of the most important parts. I highly recommend to watch core content before 2022 mentorship. What is ES level? I don't have ES level. It's SPX level, 2 points higher. Keep this in mind. I did have only draw on liquidity for NQ. I didn't have this for ES from the very beginning. It can be hourly fair value gap where we are right now. But yeah, on NQ it's here, 29,973, and our TP, second TP is coming, guys. Core content, it's way to go, guys. If you want to learn ICT core content, months 4, 7, and 9, best one. I live in US. If it's gonna hit my second TP, guys, it's gonna be big W, okay? Like that. Not like that. Like capital one. Playing games. Yeah, go through my playlist. You're gonna like this. And only after watching ICT YouTube videos, you can watch my channel to build a strategy. So I never lived in Russia. I was born and raised in Belarus. And I was talking about this with my husband yesterday, that I really want to try to live in Belarus for like 3-6 months. So oh, no, of course not. Consistency not going to destroy your account. No, you just need to trade more days. Tanya, when evaluation? Wait. Tanya, let's talk about this. You said 20% consistency rule. Which evaluation? Because I believe on Flex, it's 40% consistency rule. If you have 20%, you're good. You cannot have more than 40%. If you have 20%, you're good. Don't worry about this. Flex, it's Flex, right? Flex plan. Because Pro you can pass for 1 day. You don't need to care 50% consistency rule. Yeah. As long as it's below 50%, you're good. Please. Well, while we're waiting, I'm gonna send accounts to people. So you, guys, if you're going to receive, you're gonna receive your accounts now. If you want TradingView, can you please activate as soon as possible? Simply because I have no idea when this account gonna expire. Okay? It was gross. And let's do tomorrow TPT, because I recommended TPT today. Probably I need to do giveaway for this. Done with this one. I sent accounts. Check your emails, guys. So I sent accounts. Please make sure to activate this as soon as possible, because don't waste your code, okay? Super slow, but we have room to go higher. I do like how we closed above 3-minute breaker block. Just come on, a bit higher. Hit my key level. Stuck inside 3-minute fair value gap. Playing absolutely ugly games so far. I trade with epics. I love them, especially the legacy plan dam, my favorite ones. Oh yeah, did I say month 7? I guess I don't remember intraday profiles. This one, best one. For some reason, I was thinking it's month 7, but okay. Higher. You're very welcome. Tanya, make sure to activate this at least like tomorrow, okay? I want to see 20 points higher, please. Need to get like pushed towards this Lumi level. It's possible 3-minute change in the state of delivery. Slow down. Yeah. We need to run here, guys, no matter what. This level makes million sense to you. My second TP, guys, it's really conservative, but we should hit this. We got L before on. Yes, we recovered this loss completely already. Oh no, we got break even. We didn't get loss today. Damn, Dasha, what are you talking about? It was break even. We were trying to, guys, if you just joined, we were trying to long before. It was 9:50 a.m. We were trying to long where we are right now on ES. It was our TP. Then we were like, well, whatever. Probably not gonna work. And we entered an NQ. Waiting for my one shot. Yeah, I mean, everything works. I would say everything that ICT explained works. Just pick something that works for you personally. 11:30. Give me last push higher, please. Hit this damn 29,899.75. So I trade New York AM session. Sometimes I trade PM session, like just 2 times a week. It's gonna be tomorrow as well. And in 2 weeks, I have a plan to start streaming Asia just 2 times a week. It's gonna be Tuesday, Wednesday, or Wednesday, Thursday. Yes. $11.30, right? Time flies. But yeah, guys, I'm doing super good on Asia, on gold, last 2 weeks. It doesn't mean I will continue doing good, but I want to try to see if we can be profitable during Asia. I took 2 trades yesterday, long and short, posted everything on Twitter. Long was here this week. I took short as well. This week I got 4 trades on gold. 4 tries, 4 Ws. Damn, so good. Oh, make a call. Yeah, sure. Let's do this. Must be unplugged. See? We're asking just once because we cannot ask like twice or 3 times, unfortunately. We're asking for market makers. Okay, I got first trade. First trade was like a bit early. Makes sense. Second trade, damn, it's so good. Just hit 29,899.75. It's really hard to say this more than 2 times because it's really hard to say these numbers. Just straight up to my TP. Do whatever you want after this. I will be done for the day. We did so good today. Please. Just hit my target. Yeah, you're doing good. Should I put magnets? Should I? Oh, yeah, sure. It's not a problem. Here? Like that? Oh, okay. Which colors do you like? We can do pink, blue, and black. Will it work? Oh, okay. Sure. No, don't go to opposite direction. We need TP now. Yeah, guys, we have direct contact with market makers. It must be unplugged phone. That's important, by the way. I bought it in New York because when someone calls you, this is with Rebecca, by the way, you can talk like that. See? Hello? Hello? I bought this in New York for like $30, but it's worth it. No, I know this one. Okay, guys, for my trading, I use just one screen. Another screen goes for YouTube, OBS, Discord, because I have chat with my friends in Discord, and giveaways. That's it. For trading, really, I have only a chart that you can see on your screen, nothing else. And Ninja Trader, it's on one screen. That's it. That's all you see. That's all you see in your stream, on my stream, on your stream, whatever, is what I use. I used to have lots of different charts on other screens, but I guess it's distracting me a lot. So I stopped doing this. I'm gonna check this now. Is it funny? Okay. Okay! My husband sent me 13 messages. Enough. Oh, I know this. Yeah, I know this. I love it. My friend sent me this a lot, by the way. Block him. What happened? Did he say something bad? Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you. Ugh. No, it's hard to see. Oh, I'm gonna show my station now. Husband, don't send me anything, okay? That's what I have. I told you, don't send me anything. See? So this screen, on this side, it's for trading only. Other screen is just for, like, as you see, OBS, Discord, and Google. Keep sending me anything. What did he send? Oh, okay. What was improved? Whatever. Okay. Economic calendar, trading streams. Guys, if you want to know what time I stream, I always upload my schedule on my website. It's over here. Yeah, I love my setup. I have new panel. Oh, let me show you actually. I bought new... Oh, it's heavy. It's not pictures, it's like good for sound. Acoustic panels. Gonna put them somewhere behind me. I got 2 of them. I also got white one. White one somewhere there. Yeah. What else I bought? What I want to share with you guys. What else I bought? Nothing, I guess. I got 4 acoustic panels, 2 white ones, 2 like that. It's like... I was waiting for like 2 months of this one. Was waiting for like 2 months of the solar. White one was kind of fast. We were trying to do acoustic panels, like my husband was trying to do this, but damn, it didn't work. We threw this away. I mean, it worked for like 6 months, but we threw this away. What else I want to show you guys? Since we're still sitting in this damn trade. Oh, yeah. What good one. Absolutely amazing trade. I hope it's gonna hit second TP, because second TP, it's a major level for me. Stuck at this breaker block. We took, by the way, partial, not based on breaker block, but based on SPX chart. SPX hit 25% of old RTH gap, we partialed. I really want to see, I'm gonna repeat this for the last time. No, MMXM, stay here until I'm going to finish. 29,899.75. Please, let's hit this. Oh, notifications. Let me see. Also, guys, if you don't know where to find economic calendar, I added economic calendar on my website with timer, as you can see over here. So this is gonna be in 20 hours. You can set alerts as well. So if you don't want to miss any news, you can go on this website. I'm gonna send link right now in the chat. Or husband, can you please send as well, if you can? So you can see all news. You can put any settings here if you want. And put notifications here. I'm gonna send right now in the chat. He keeps screaming something from living room. I can hear nothing, but he's gonna be super mad because he keeps screaming something. I can hear nothing, and he's gonna say something after stream. He always does this. Just a bit higher. Stop these games. No way. I sent you like brand new coupon code that I got yesterday. I'm gonna check. I'm gonna check now. It's okay. I'm gonna check after Steam. Send me a message in Discord so I don't want to forget about you, okay? Like, no way. But send me a message, please. Once we hit second CP, guys, it's gonna be huge W in the chat. Because we were sitting in this trade for like forever. And I'm going to count until 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5, 4.5, 5. Don't, come on, hit it. What the heck? I mean, it's touched this, didn't hit this. I mean, bid and ask. I love the spread. I count until 5. Win rate 66%, by the way, again. I have 66% win rate again. It was 64 for 2 weeks. No way. Are you kidding me? Well, I'm gonna close. I mean, I'm gonna partial here because who knows what will happen. It's ridiculous. Okay, it's big W. I'm gonna, just because of this spread, I don't want to like risk my money. I don't want to risk. It's big W, guys, right now in the chat. Up total for the day, ignoring unrealized P&L, $1,000. Of course, now it's gonna hit, but I will try to protect myself. Kill it! While we're waiting for our last TP, which is our drone liquidity, we discussed this before market opened. I'm gonna walk through my website. If you go to Pro Tools and click Consistency Rule Calculator here, and if you don't know how to calculate consistency rule, you can pick prop firm here, for example, Lucid. Let's say, I'm basically going to delete black from here, Flex, right? And if you don't know how much you need to make extra to meet consistency rule, just enter your P&L here. For example, like that. Nothing. Then I was down $230. Then I made $800. So let's say I have 7 trading days on this account. So I still did not pass this account because on 50K I need to make $3,000. So it will show you how percent of your consistency, which is 38%, 38.5%. So you're meeting consistency rule. But let's say one day you decide to make $3,000, not 30,000. So right now you have, as you can see, almost 60% consistency rule. So you need to work on this. And it shows you all information here. How much you need to make to meet consistency rule here. So if you don't know how to calculate this, guys, use this calculator. Really one of the best calculators I ever created. Hope it's gonna be helpful for you. So what else? I have video about this as well. I put video about consistency rule on my YouTube channel. If you're going to scroll all the way down, I have explanation how to use consistency rule with examples and so on. I showed examples with Tradify, I believe, but it's gonna work for any prop firm. Once again, link in the chat. Same I have for lot size calculator. If you're trying to calculate your risk per trade, let's say you have 50K account with $2,000 drawdown. Your risk per trade, we discussed this before, but let's say we got 2 payouts, $350. You don't need to put this one, it's like unnecessary here. And your stop loss on ES, it was 11 points today. And we're gonna trade micro ES. This means with $350 risk per trade and 11 point stop loss on ES, we can afford to trade 6 micros. As you can see, we cannot trade minis. We can trade micros. Let's say we have 78 point stop loss on MNQ, on NQ. Obviously, we cannot trade NQ, right? Because it's big risk within one mini contract. But it was MNQ and 78 point stop loss, $350 risk per trade, 2 micros. Way to go. Here's your calculator if you want to. Guys, it's completely free. Nice for prop firm traders. Damn, super slow today. But nice trade. Chris, you confused? Ask me what happened. I confused as well. This calculator for lot size is here. Lot size calculator is here. Just send link in the chat. For consistency rule, it's my website. Link is here. You have a question, go for it. Since I'm sitting here, we're waiting for final TP maybe. Thank you, guys. My husband built this. Husband, see? People appreciate this. Oh, my glasses. I took them off because my eyes hurt already. MXM he was here a minute ago. Well, guys, ask questions. Yeah, guys, let's leave runner to 970. Let's see if we're gonna hit my daily drawn liquidity. SPX giving us no reaction from 50% of old RTH gap, still below OT. Just hit 50%. Interesting, Alan. So think twice about this. Think what will be better for you and your family. And I hope you're gonna get the right decision. We hit 500 likes. Woohoo! Simply because we are the best. Actually, it's 973.75. Why? I put it 970. Because of this. It was daily chart, 1 second. Or weekly. Yeah, it was daily chart. Since I'm gonna hide everything from here. Since we got liquidity sweep over here, see this? Over here. I think we can go with third candle, we can go to opposite liquidity level, which is at 973. Yeah. So it's swing point here actually. 1, 2, 3. We need to close above this level to consider this as a reversal. Some people call this CRT actually. Did I say this right? CRT? Candle range. I hope so. Anyway, target is here. It's Tuesday high. Okay. Normally, when we have sweep, it's actually not only for high time frame. When we have sweep, not going to draw bodies, okay? Just going to show you example with weeks. When we have sweep over here, let's see, second candle sweep, previous candle low. So price tends to go to opposite candle high here. Opposite liquidity level. It's over here. So this means third candle with big chance will go to first candle high. Third candle or fourth candle usually goes to first candle high or low. Oh, you cannot see this, sorry guys. So second candle swept previous candle low. Third candle, if we're gonna get confirmation of reversal, or fourth candle, we reach first candle high at this point. Same for opposite, like for low. If it's gonna sweep this high, third or fourth candle will go to opposite liquidity level based on first candle, high of candle or low of the candle. Same happening with NQ today. I mean, we don't know yet, but I hope so. Okay. We were trying to long in ES before. We closed break even. It was at 9:50 a.m. And we entered this trade at 10:30, right? Barbara, I'm not sure about my projections. I drew this based on 15-minute chart, but most likely it's not gonna work. But guys, if you like my website, you can share on your social media or with your friends, because I'm working hard and my husband working hard to improve this website over every single day. So if you like this, if you use tools from my website, participate in giveaways, I will appreciate if you can support me by sharing this website with your friends or on your social media. Thank you. Yeah, it was 15-minute lag, guys. I wasn't sure because on 1 hour chart, this lag dumps so big. We hit my Lumi level. Yeah, I speak Russian, yes. Funded that now. I just sent link in the chat. Okay, some skin routine since we're waiting. I believe it's gonna hit my first CP actually. What is this one? Yeah, it's serum. Belarusian. I'm not Russian. Actually, I'm half Russian. It smells so good. By the way, stop smelling my sunscreen because I lost this when we were moving. I have big pack, but I don't have small one anymore. I lost this. Have no idea where it is, unfortunately. I'm looking for Tuesday high, guys. You know, before taking the trade, I always discuss why I taken this trade. You can watch in replay, for example. Lots of people were questioning this long, but I explained why. Because we sitting inside hourly market maker buy model, and we got nice sweep. I'm gonna show again actually. Nice market maker buy model on NQ here. So drop today was second stage of reaccumulation. Why? Because we got sweep over here, price it traced back to the range, and it was 50% of hourly order block. So I used only bodies here, and since price swept mean threshold of hourly OB, or any OB, mean threshold usually confirms if this order block high probability or not high probability setup order block. So we swept 50% of bullish OB. Yeah, and price reversed. He was screaming from living room, and I obviously I wasn't able to hear anything. Chris, it's like CRT model, or how to call this, I don't remember exactly. I believe this one, candle range theory, I guess. It's Tuesday high. Go on daily chart, we have sweep. And right now we have third candle, which is reversal candle. We're going to first candle high. He was screaming something after sending me 13 messages on WhatsApp, and I was ignoring him. Where's my eye cream? I lost this. Where is that? Oh, found it. I have twin sister. I'm gonna show you now. She sent me some pictures. I hope so. At least I saw them. I'm gonna show you now. Hope she doesn't watch my streams. She will kill me for this. 1 second, I will find pictures. Tesla horn, I will kill him next time for this. Seriously. Super annoying when he does this. Last time I was staying in garage and he did this right next to me. Because my phone was at home and he did Tesla horn right next to me in the garage. I was ready to kill him. Like, my car in the garage, his car in the another garage. When was it WhatsApp? 1 second, I will try to find the pictures. It's me again. No way, she sent me some. Was it WhatsApp? No, maybe it was Instagram. I'm gonna take screenshots so I can show you my sister, but I cannot show her Instagram because she will kill me for this. Are you ready, guys? It's her. Don't pay attention to my nails. I'm gonna do my nails tomorrow. Tomorrow. And I will show you our like dam. Where's this picture? Here. That's us. They are 2 minutes apart. Me, like in orange dress, she's in flowers dress. When it was taken, like 2003 or 2000, no, like 2002, I guess. We're super little here. It's like 2002 or 2003. She's older, 2 minutes older. No any dates here, but I believe it was like 2020, 2002 year or 2004. No, 2, I guess. Current picture. So my last time I saw my sister, it was 10 years ago. Like, it's no. Let me see. Let me show you like that. She's 2 minutes older. Show price action. I mean, nothing to show. We're still sitting in the trade. So if you want to see my YouTube schedule, I have this on my website. I'm gonna send link right now in the chat. I always schedule my streams there. So today I'm gonna be done for the day, I guess. I mean, not going to stream PM session, but tomorrow I'm gonna stream on my channel from 9 to 11 a.m. And from 11 to 1 p.m. I'm gonna be on Ninja Trader Live. 3-hour stream today? Damn, that's a lot, but blame not me, blame price action. It's slow today. I cannot do anything about this. Yes, given no reaction from early fair value gap, most likely we're gonna sell, go through this level. I would like to see just a bit more higher, 60 points higher, and we're gonna be done for the day. Idea behind this trade. I explained this already like 3 times. For example, you can watch in replay, but idea was hourly market maker buy model. And today with this drop at 10 a.m., we dropped to 50% of hourly order block, which confirmed second stage of reaccumulation of market maker buy model. We enter the trade. Nice reaction. Like a year? Wow! I was bullish like all day. Was looking for longs only. You cannot see market maker like really? Look at that. See? Absolutely classic market maker buy model over here. Today we got second stage of reaccumulation of market maker buy model. 50% of hourly order block was holding. Nice oh, sorry, my mic again. Nice confirmation. I mean, we should go higher at this point. It was really hard to short this though. We were in drawdown for a little bit, by the way. It's faster, right? Even this morning, yes, long, which we closed at break even. He said like market maker buy model. I was busy yesterday, so I didn't watch this. Sorry, Michael. But honestly, I believe ES will deliver us like higher where we are right now before 10. But it's fine, I guess. Just a question. To be bullish? absolutely, it's gonna be absolutely funny reason, but this daily sweep made them been bullish. So price see this order block here on daily chart 1, 2. Price keep closing above mean threshold of daily OB. Once again, once we hold in mean threshold of order block, bullish, bearish, whatever, it's strong OB. So yesterday price closed above mean threshold again. I was like, probably bullish for the day. Then we got sweep as well, right? Sweep over here. We got confirmation on hourly chart. If we have daily sweep, we use an hourly chart and we're trying to find hourly order block to confirm sweep. We got this yesterday. This means third and fourth candle probably will be continuation. So normally when we have like 3 candles over here, which creates sweep, we're going to first candle high or low. So today we're going to first candle high, since we got first candle low sweep. So that's pretty much it. Weekly fair value gap. 1 second. I will. This one? We got 1, 2, 3 tests of this fair value gap. Oh, I mean, it also could be confirmation, right? Maybe. I hope it makes sense. And I'm happy we saw this in real life, in real market, simply because sometimes it's really hard to see setup in the chart. So I didn't make checklist, but this morning I made sure like everything closed, all light is on. Like I said, like I turned on my computer, was trying to set up my chart, and I saw like, damn, my window is open. If he's going to enter the room, it will be, how many times should I say to close your window? How many times I need to repeat this over and over again? I was like, I don't want to hear this. I'm gonna close now. My husband is like old man. He always like, if I did something bad or I did something that he said like, don't do this, Dasha, please. I was gonna hear like, how many times I need to say, do this, this, and this. Why you never listen to me? It's Tuesday high. Joe is Tuesday high. I asked him to join my teams. He doesn't want to do this. Strange man, like guys. Super strange. Seriously, why? I was thinking maybe people after like 40 acting like that. When you're like 40 plus, you're becoming like that. I don't know why. Like I tried to find logical explanation. If he's like 42 and doing this every single day, what will happen when he's gonna be 50? It's gonna be even worse. I like Florida, yeah. A bit boring place. I mean, it's a nice place to travel, I guess, because you can go to the beach, you can like do something like, but when you live here, it's kind of boring. They like perfect, maybe. But it's annoying. So guys, I truly believe we should bounce to my level, and I truly believe we're pretty much safe. Go to Disney. I was thinking about this. Disney. It's damn super hot. Today is gonna be like 95 degrees. It's 92 now. That's hot to go there. I saw one woman, she went to somewhere, like it was hot, like 90 degrees or so. She died because of this. Because of sun. Because the sun was super hot. Your choice got old now. That's funny. It's like 35, 37 degrees. To do in Miami. You know, I'm gonna order this game and I'm gonna go to places where I lived before, because my husband said they spent $2 billion to build this game. This means I'm going to buy this game simply. Guys, it's annoying because I was playing like previous versions and what I was doing there, I was killing people. I don't know why. I was hitting people in my car. God, it's just horrible. But I'm gonna get this game just to drive to places where I lived before. It's true. Like, why are we doing this? Why? $2 billion, right? So I used to live in Dania Beach. I will go there. Then I will go to Orlando as well. Yeah, I'm gonna buy just to drive. In Scotland? Wow, that's interesting. MMXM, that's funny. Tesla is doing good. They replaced window because my husband was trying to get synced, or how to call this. They broke something on this window. It was like something like cord or something. So my camera stopped working, I guess front camera stopped working. So they replaced the window completely. Now it's at home. Russian, what is Russian? Also, you know, you know what is funny about my husband? I just remember this. We can talk about something in the morning, like about something. I believe we talk about soup with fish. It was like 12 p.m. And it's 8 p.m., guys, like 8 hours later. He goes like to me and says, you can try to Google this, like fish something, like river fish or something like that. I was like, what are you talking about? Because 8 hours ago, we were talking about like where to buy this fish. And just in 8 hours, he like just goes to me and saying, you can just Google this fish, river fish or something like that. I was like, he always does this. Like 8 or like 12 hours later, he just goes with random ideas that we discussed like long time ago. And I'm sitting like, what are you talking about? And he getting super mad because I don't understand what he's talking about. Like, damn, why are you doing this? My dad also was like that. Like, why? That's so funny. And I was sitting like, fish, river fish. Why are you saying this? It was like 2 days ago. To begin with, Lucid 50K Flex. Lucid 50K Flex. Way easier to pass. Nice for beginners. With entry, well, it was closure above this down close candle, which I treat as OB. We got 30-minute sweep. We got down close candle. Since we got only down close candles, I used only this candle as order block. We got the closure above. I entered the trade. At the open, like, you got it. 3-minute OB, 30-minute sweep, 3-minute OB. That's it. I was trading with Step. It was more than a year ago, but then they stopped doing trader weight. So it's a big issue for me. Why? Because I don't like to jump between different platforms. So when Step had trader weight, it was way easier to trade with them. Now they don't have trader weight, so I cannot connect accounts to my NinjaTrader, so I don't trade this. So order blocks, 1 second. I'm gonna send you post, so it's gonna be way easier for you to draw order block. 1 second, I'm gonna send post. Here's a link. I explained order block there. So I want to go outside, somewhere outside. Do we have any? Oh, we have hockey today at 5. Will not go far away though. Okay, guys, probably I want to be done for the day. I'm tired to talk. So we absolutely kill this today. Let's type W in the chat just to finish this stream, like with smile on our faces. I'm gonna keep this trade. I'm just gonna let it run. My TP will remain the same. Stop loss gonna be here. Just 10 points in profit. Just let's see how it goes. I'm up. Total $1,000 on my TPT accounts. Nice. So guys, I will see you tomorrow at 9 a.m. as always. Sorry. At 9 a.m. as always, and I'm gonna stream on Ninja Trader Live right after my AM session stream. Accounts that you want today, I already sent this. Everything was sent. So if you have any questions, feel free to send me messages, but like important messages, okay? Not like, can you send me money? Or can you send me account? Like something important, okay? Pretty sure we're gonna hit my target. Just don't know when, because it can take like 2 hours, it can take like 30 minutes, who actually knows? So guys, wish you good luck, you are the best, thank you for support, thank you for great chat today with no hate. Are you spying? Shh. It's a secret. Yes, New York time, 9 a.m. Eastern time. Love you guys, see you tomorrow, and let's do TPT accounts for tomorrow, 50k accounts. Trail your stop loss, hold to final TP. If it's gonna hit final TP, we're gonna get nice 200 points long. Love it. I'm gonna go outside just to enjoy my day because we're gonna have hockey today at 5 p.m. where I need to sit for more than an hour in this cold place. Love you guys. See you tomorrow.